Hello darling, welcome back to Wonderland with this curling iron hairstyle tutorial. I have a hair tie and a 1-inch curling iron. Coming through each section of hair, I'm going to take a small section of hair and place my 1-inch curling iron up to that hair. Then I will twist counterclockwise and continuously will open up the clamp to allow for more hair into this hairstyle. Then I will actually twist some of that hair off of the curling wand for a more tighter defined curl. Repeating this exact same process, I am going to take a little bit of hair and continuously keep spinning the curling wand up the hair while releasing the clamp ever so slightly to allow for more of that hair to be curled tightly in that curling barrel. Here I am slowing down the video so you can see the technique. So I'm going to pick up a little piece of hair and open up the clamp to the curling iron, simultaneously swirling that curling iron around the hair while simultaneously opening up that barrel ever so slightly to continue allowing for more hair into the spiral curl. That concludes this curling iron hairstyle tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time in Wonderland.